Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you some of the things that I've made with my PandaHall order, and I have 2 unboxing videos if you want to see everything that I got from them, and I'll leave links down below to these products, but I'm loving these clips. These heart-based clips are a perfect way to attach a number of different dangles and things that I have created. And I can show you here I have made a shaker pocket clipboard. So that's kind of neat. This is what it looks like on the back. And this is going to house like a whole bunch of different creations that I make. This is one of the things that I've already made, a little library pocket. And so you just tuck the things onto the clipboard. But the really nice thing is that I have this gorgeous way to dangle this tassel that I made off of the clasp that I have here. Like this clip and this clasp, they just go perfectly together. I'm just really loving how this is all going to be coming together there. So that's fun. So those are a couple of the things. I also created these dangles on the little purse tote bags. Christian's Crafty Adventures is where I originally got the tutorial for this, and I just love it. I have made so many of these little tote bags, and I have I created this little dangle with some of the things from PandaHall. So I got these globes from PandaHall, this flower. Also, this was one of the things that came in the kit. It had the metal piece in the middle to create this. And it's actually really funny because it looks like the inside of a flower perfectly. And that dangles off of there nicely. And then I've got some wire wrapped beads and a little charm. These wire wrapped beads were gifted to me from Angela of Love Pink Dragonflies, so I was really happy to put those to use on there. But anyways, I'll give you a peek a little here of this bag that I put together. So I love that I have like the little eyelets, which is exactly how you would have something like that on a purse, and then I was able to create this little dangle that hangs off the side. And I have made a second one here, and I have used some of the different elements. In this one here, I've used 2 of those glass globes and then one of those square beads. They're just gorgeous. I love them. And again, another one of those flower beads. And then you can see I've got a couple charms and a little like bubblegum type of bead there, bubblegum bead with a little cloud hanging off the end. Like super cute little dangle there, and it goes really nicely off the end of this little tote bag as a gorgeous little decoration. And I have them attached by this you can see how I've attached them here, this little pin. Can you see that? The pin that I have, and I like that I've got it here. I can see it probably better that way. I like that because I can really control where it dangles. I can just tuck it over the side, because if you try to put a jump ring through this little eyelet on its own, it doesn't sit properly. And in fact, it's hard to get a jump ring that's big enough that would go all the way around. So the fact that I can just use this little pin here to dangle this fun little thing off the side. You can take a look at that. This one here. So those are some gorgeous little things. And then the last thing that I created is this pocket letter. I'll show you. It's been a long time since I've made a pocket letter. And this is what this looks like. And look at how fun, again, this dangle is. So you know when you get a pocket letter, it has all of the little holes built in. So I used like washi tape to sort of hide this strip here, but I did punch out one of the holes, and then this little heart lobster clasp goes perfectly in there. And then I just created a little dangle with all of my charms. Again, those globes, those flowers, another one of those square beads that are so neat, and some charms and things. I made a little safety pin with the recipient's name on it. I can show you how this looks here. Really cute pieces of that. So there's so much to look and discover and see, but I tied in all of the colors, and then it just dangles off this. You can see all of the design of my pocket letter here. It was fun to make another pocket letter. Again, I'm working with this one collection here. I'll show you. It is Simple Stories Kissing Booth, and it's from a couple of years ago. Actually, I'm doing a Valentine's Day Secret Cupid swap, and this year it's not a Secret Cupid swap. I know who I'm creating for, partnered up to do a swap, and she knows that I'm creating for her as well. But anyways, I have received and created another Secret Cupid swap with this collection. I love it so much. I had ordered in several of them, and I wasn't able to get the Simple Stories new Valentine's Day line this year in time to start creating for this. Like, it was just brought out to some of the stores that I purchase in now. So I decided to go ahead, and actually the girl that I'm creating for, I think this line is actually more her style anyways. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave links down below to all the different PandaHall products that I used here. This is a collaboration. They sent me these things to create with, and I was super excited. I really enjoyed their products. Again, you can see these were one of my favorite things that I got from them. These clips, they came in both stars and hearts, and here I focused on the hearts because this is a Valentine's Day swap that I'm getting ready for. But yeah, it was lots of fun to create and prepare these yummy looking products. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.